my dear students, welcome to SRS Heritage School online classes, session 9 of class 9. Previous session we have discussed about how to presentation of data like group data, ungrouped data and raw data and all. Now, exercise number 2, there are nearly 10 problems. Let us discuss some problems and remaining problems you have to continue. Exercise number 2. Open textbook, all of you. Open your textbook, all of you. Let us see the problem number 2. The distance in kilometers of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work, where are given as follows. Like there are some numbers are given 5, 3, 10, 20, 25, 11, 13, 7, 12, 31, 19, 10 and so on. You go through that numbers properly. Construct a grouped frequency distribution table. What I have to do for this problem? Construct a grouped frequency distribution table with class size. Class size is 5. Size of the class is 5, they said. That is 0 to 5, 5 to 10 or 5 to 10, 10 to 15. Whatever is size of the class must be 5, it seems. For the above data given below, taking as anyhow he has given the first interval must be start with 0 to 5. First interval start must be 0 to 5. So, but 5 is included. Included, not included, not included. That means whenever it comes intervals, do you remember, have to keep it in mind, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. If this is given, the mark is 5. Where should we consider? Not in upper limit. You have to consider the 5 in case of this class interval. 10. If a particular student scored 10 marks, 10 marks should be considered in this interval, not in this interval. It should be lower limit. The particular mark must be in lower limit, not in upper limit itself. Be careful that. This is very, very important in this case. So, 0 to 5, very clearly they mentioned 5 not included. What main features do you observe for this tabular representation? So let us write the problem, write this tabular form for this one. So the distance is given in 40 engineers, total number of engineers is 40. So tabular form must be, first one is distance, tally marks and number of engineers. Tally marks is convenient, it's left to you. Distance now. Distance, tally marks, number of engineers. So number of engineers. Distance to tally marks to number of engineers. But very clearly they mention it as a 0 to 5 should be considered. 0 to 5, but 5 should not be included. So that means 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20 like that. Till where? What is the maximum number among this one? Have to see. What is the maximum number among that? Better you should go with maximum number. Look at this. It's not more than 35, I think. Not more than 35. So we'll go with up to 35. So marks must be 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. Maximum addition. See that least mark and maximum mark, and based on that class intervals must be same. Now 0 to 5, how many engineers are there? Let us see. The engineers travel from distance from their residence to their workplace. So 0 to 5, how many are there? Within 5 kilometers. Not 5. 5 is not included here. 5 should not be counted here. Less than 5. Either 0 kilometers we can count, or 1 kilometer count, 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers, 4 kilometers only should be considered here. If any engineer distance from residence to its workplace is 5, that should be counted in 5 to 10. Now how many are there? Just look at and count and tell me. There are 0 to 5, there are 5 members. So tally marks of 5. So number of engineers is 5. 5 to 10, how many engineers are there? Count it, 5 to 10. There are 11 members, 11 engineers are there. So 11 can be written as 1, 2, this is 5, so 11. So better, instead of counting like this, first number, in lower grade, tally marks. Now it takes time for me, you have to do it. What is the first number itself? 5. 5 where it consider? Here 1 tally mark. Next number is 3, 1 tally mark there, 0 to 5. Next number is 10. Where is 10 should be considered? In lower limit. Here 1 mark should be. Strike out the numbers and write the tally mark. At the end you can write the frequency there. Just count the tally marks and write it. But here it is impossible. It takes time. Then let me just look at this one and write it there. Now 10 to 15. 10 to 15 there are. How many are there? There are 11. 11 engineers are there. So tally mark 11. 15 to 20. There are 9. 20 to 25. 20 to 25. There are only 1 engineer. Residence. 25 to 30. 25 to 30 also only 1. 30 to 35. Look at this 30 to 35. 32 is there and 31 also there. So there are 2. Now if you count this 5 plus 11 plus 11 plus 9 plus 1 plus 1 plus this one. That should be get total is 40. Now there are 40 engineers as per the question itself. Now what they are telling? What is the question itself? First you have to make it as frequency distribution table. And what do you observe? What do you observe? What is our observation? Look at this one. There are 11 members between 5 to 10 kilometers and 11 members 10 to 15 kilometers and 9 members 15 to 20, 1 member from 20 to 25, 1 member from 25 to 30, like 30 to 35, these many numbers are, these many engineers are there, distance between their residence to their workplace. What is our observation? The distance from the residence to their workplace is maximum number of engineers, the distance from the workplace is this is. That is what? 5 to 10 kilometers and 10 to 15 kilometers. You have to write this part. What you have to write? The distance from the residence to their workplace is maximum number of engineers. There are maximum number of students which are distance from 5 to 10 and 10 to 15 kilometers. That is one point. And one more point. The minimum number of engineers are in the intervals of minimum number means 1. Minimum number of engineers are distance from 20 to 25 and 25 to 30. That is one point to be right. And another point also, each interval has at least 1 engineer. In all the level intervals, at least 1 engineer will be. There is no engineers at all. 0, nothing. We can't find anywhere 0. So at least 1 engineer will be there in each and every interval. So this observations have to write, after this tabulation have to write those all observations. Next, let us move to third problem. Let us move on third problem. What is the third problem in this? The relative humidity of a certain city for the month of 30 days was as follows. 91, 98.1, 98.6, 99.2 like that. They are given 30 days. Humidity is given in percentage wise. Construct a grouped frequency table, distribution table of the width of the class 84, 86, 86, 88 and etc. Which month or season do you think this data is about? What is the range of this data? There are 3 questions over there. So let us first we have to go with tabular form, frequency distribution table. Third problem. In the frequency distribution table, what is given there? Relative humidity. Relative humidity and 30 days. It will be considered as 30 days, number of days. Relative humidity, tally mark, and number of days. Then come to see that what is the class mark is given. I have given very particularly, make it as 84 to 86, 86 to 88. Class size is given 2, 84 to 86, and shall I go to maximum is what? 96, 98 something is given, so 99.2 also there. Still I should go with 100 up to 100. So 84 to 86. 84, 86, 86 to 88, 88 to 90, 90 to 92, size of the class is 2, they given very clearly. Now based on this I have to continue the same. Look at that 84 to 86, how many days the relative humidity is a percentage. Now count the percentage of the humidity. 84 to 86. Find it with the decimals also there, be careful, decimals also anyhow between them only. Anyhow these are what kind of intervals? Inclusive intervals or exclusive intervals? 86, 86. Upper limit, lower limit of the immediate class will be same. So they are equal. Exclusive class intervals. So if for example 88 comes up, where should be considered either here or here? 88 means 88% should be considered in 88 to 90. Now count it. 84 to 86, how many are there? 84 to 86, only one. As I said, as I discussed, we have to continue. First number C, 98.1. 98.1 is here. Next, let's check out 98.1. 98.6. 98.6 also here only. One more tally mark. Strike out. 99.2 here only. Like that, have to continue one by one. But it takes time here. It is very difficult to discuss in online. Just I'll count myself and I'll write it itself. You carry on the same like that. 86 to 88, how many are there? 86 to 88. Only one. 88 to 90. There are two. 90 to 92. There are only two only. 92 to 94. 90 to 94 there are 7. 94 to 96 there are 6. 96 to 98. 96 to 98 there are 7. 98 to 100 there are 4. So as you count this one, total you should get it as 10, 14, 24, 24, 28, 30. Of this total is 30. So consider for 30 days only as per the given question. Right. Comes to the problem number 1. Construct a grouped frequency distribution table of the size. This is over. This is problem number 1. Construction is over. Come to the second question. In which month or season do you think this data is about? Which month this data is about? If you see that percentages, 98.1, 98.6, 99.2, the 6, these percentages, the relative humidity is high. The relative humidity is high. So this data may be appear in the rain season. So this data may be taken in rainy season. That is second one answer. So must be as rainy season. That is anyhow it can be considered as a rainy season. And the third one, what is the range of this data? Range of this data. Range means maximum number minus least number. What is the maximum number and minimum number here? What is the maximum humidity here? 99.2. 99.2 is the maximum, and the minimum is here 84.9. So 99.2 minus 84.9. So let us this. What is the difference between them? Subtract it. 3 and 14.3. This is the range of this given data. Now consider another problem. Problem number 6. In this one, problem number 6 here. Three coins were tossed. 30 times simultaneously. Each time of the number of heads occurring was noted down as below. 3 coins were tossed 30 times simultaneously, but each time the number of heads occurring was noted down as follows. How many times will the heads turn up? 0 times, it means 1 time, 2 times, 1 time, 2 times, like 3 times, and so on given. Like 30 times is given anyhow. Prepare the frequency distribution table for the given data. So number of heads and then frequency. Anyhow, this is given. Tossing the coin. What number of heads? How many? Tally marks to frequency. That's it. Number of heads tally marks frequency. See, number of heads, how many different types are given? 0 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. So there, I think so maximum is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Number of heads. How many times 0 heads? 0 times. 0 how many times it turns up? 1 how many times it turns up? 2 how many times it turns up? 3 how many times it turns up? Then 0 is how many times? Just count it and tell me then. How many zeros are there? There are 6 zeros. So frequency is 6. Tally marks, anyhow you know that. How many ones are there? There are 10 ones. Right. How many 2s are there? 2s are 9. Similarly, how many 3s are there? There are 5. So, if you go for this one total, this become as 30. Just they are asking to find how to make a frequency distribution table for the given thing. Or else, how many times will be maximum times repeated is what? Maximum times 1 time. Number of 1 heads is 10 times. Least number of times is 5 times. 3 heads turns up, and 3 coins are tossed up. Both are heads only. All three are heads only. How many times? 5 times. Like this is the condition. 0 times 6 times. No heads at all, that means 6 times. One head, the remaining 2 are tails only. That is 10 times. Like that, maximum time is what, minimum time is what. They may ask you in any general way. Next, one more problem let me discuss. Problem number 9. The lives means it lives in years. Number of years as given. Of 40 such batteries were recorded as follows. Very clearly they given how many years? 2.6 years, 3 years, 3.7 years, 3.2 years. That means years, which indicates number of years. So construct a grouped frequency distribution table for this data using the class interval of size 0.5. They is not mentioned, we start from this one. But size of the class they mentioned as 0.5. From the interval, anyhow interval also they mentioned 2 to 2.5. So here also they did not ask you any different number of questions. Only they ask you one question, that is how to make a frequency distribution table. So lifetime of battery and number of batteries prepared by a particular company. Lifetime of battery. Let us go with first time. Lifetime of batteries and number of batteries and tally marks. Tally marks and number of batteries. So what is the condition is given? 2 to 2.5, but size of the class is 2 itself. 2 to 2.5, 2.5 to 0.5, no, then 3, 3 to 3.5, 3.5 to 4, 4 to 4.5. Maximum what have to go with the? Maximum is 5 is there, so 5 up to 5. So 4.5 to 5. 2 to 2.5, 2.5 to 2. This is also exclusive class interval. This is also exclusive class intervals only. So now find it. Number of batteries from 2 to 2.5. Count it 2 to 2.5. How many years? So there are only 2. So tally marks we do not like this. 2.5 to 3. 3 should not be considered here. 3 should be count here. Don't count 3 here. In this interval 3 should be count. There are 6. 3 to 3.5. 3 count now there itself. 3.5 don't count. It is 3.5 counts. 3.5 next. 3 to 3.5 there are many. How many? There are 14. (3.5 to 4). Here also more only. How many? 11. (4 to 4.5). There are only 4. 4.5 to 5. There are only 3. If you go for this one, totally, how much will get here totally? How many lives of 40 such batteries were? So you will get as 40. Count it once. 10 and 20, isn't it? That is 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 40. There are 40. Just simply they are asking, make a frequency distribution table, or else they may ask you number of batteries, maximum number of batteries in a particular, how many years, long period will be exist. 14 batteries, number of 14 batteries between the lifetime year is 3 to 3.5 years. General questions they may. Between 3.5 to 4 years, how many batteries exist, like 11, or least number is what there, which how many years exist least number of batteries, that is 2 to 2.5 years. How many batteries? Only 2, like so. Only hardly there are 10 problems in this exercise. Almost 4 or 5 problems I explained. Remaining problems you have to continue yourself, including the examples. If the examples were there based on this one, you have to complete your class work. Don't wait for any notes. Don't expect any notes for this subject particularly. Maximum more than 50% I am explaining itself. The remaining problems are similar to this problem set. You have to do it. And while running notes also, have to write the definitions. Any formulas are needed. Formulas. Anyhow, you are well known about the regular classes, how the teachers were taught previously. Similarly, definitions, anything important points have to note it down for particular exercise. Then continue the exercise along with examples also. Then second exercise related, any definition will be there, definition, or any important point is there, the point, and then continue the problems along with examples. So I hope we'll complete up to second exercise. Next, I'll continue in next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.